Hey Fit Babes, let's get down on our mat. We're doing a 10-minute ab workout today. Our first exercise, we're doing leg lowers. Make sure your lower back stays on the mat and you're not lifting it up. It also helps to place your hands under your bum. We want to protect the lower back. We're doing 50 seconds on each of these exercises, then we're going to rest for 10.
I think about us calling. I think about us falling through the dark night and through time towards the light when you'll be mine. I think about us, I know the dawn is for us. I dream about us, I dream about the stardust. I dream about us, I dream of how it started and how it's all connected.
All right, we're resting for 10 seconds. I like to call these the starfishes. Look at me, I'm a star.
For us. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the many ways I am falling for your grace. And of all the possibilities to think that you would be next to me. Think about all the time I think about us. I think about all the time that lies before us. I dream of all the things to come.
Resting for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna go cross body, but we're gonna do one leg at a time and reach across the body with the opposite arm.
Considering all the stars that came before us and how everyone has made it for us. Think of the future that has passed and of all the things that last. Dream about us, I dream about us falling. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the many ways I am falling for your grace. And of all the possibilities.
10 seconds of rest, and they're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. By the way, how cute is this outfit? I just ordered it from Fabletics. I love how their clothes fits. It's so cute.
Possibilities to think that you would be next to me. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the million ways.
All right, rest for 10, and then we are going to absolutely demolish your lower abs with these little scissor kicks. We'll call these the scissor sisters. Gonna start with our feet up in the air and then crisscross on the way down. Try and go down as far as possible till your heel is almost on the ground.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you.
All right, resting for 10, then we're gonna pop over on our side and do some side planks with a little double booty pop. These are not only working your obliques, they are working your lats and give you a little booty pop in practice. That's always a good thing.
I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way, and everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future.
All right, resting for 10, now we're gonna flip over and do the same thing on the other side.
Family, me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family.
Now we're gonna get into plank position and tap to the left and tap to the right. One to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. If it looks like this, then you're doing it right. Who knows that song? I can keep singing it for you if you'd like. Okay, fine, I will.
A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side.
Oh, you don't like that? I'll stop that now. Sorry about that.
Everything that you do now.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. What's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and then maybe.
After your hip taps, we're rolling over to the back and we're gonna do some bicycles. Now for you guys, if you can reach up and extend with that elbow a little bit more, I highly encourage it. I have a Frankenspine, a little bit of a fused vertebrae situation, so I like to bring it up so you'll feel sorry for me. Just kidding. Do not feel sorry for me. I just want to mention sometimes the way I'm doing an exercise is going to look a little different than how you're doing it. So really try and reach your elbow to your knee and crunch dem abs.
The best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta.
Now we're just gonna do little baby crunches. Again with this, if you can crunch a little higher and bring your shoulder blades off the mat a little bit, feel free to do so.
To laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get
Good job. If you made it to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more super fun, slightly sarcastic, and uber effective workouts with me again.